race day didn't go so well, but we're docked at our Commodore's dock. And he has a really interesting light, and you can see the fish being drawn to the light at night on the periphery. Oh, there's a big moonfish. Can't see it, it's out of the light. Oh, it was under the dock. Something cool will come through. Come to the light. Come. After getting third place last week, we had high hopes of placing well in the Commodore's Cup race this Saturday, but there were no wins. We even emptied all the water out of the front, about 800 pounds of water, and took off our anchor in the front, thinking that that weight would help us go better downwind. And let me tell you, it didn't quite help. There were points where we were going 0 knots, and it looked like we were going backwards with the current. So we did finish dead last. Out of 10 boats, 2 did not finish, and we got 8th place. That's kind of a bummer.
Amanda, what are you doing?
I'm catching a fish!
On whose boat?
My boat!
On whose rod? On whose rod? What kind of fish you got there?
I have no idea.
We need the gap.
He's gonna want it. Oh,
It's a mackerel!
Just
It's a Spanish mackerel!
Let it take line, because he's gonna try to kick it out.
Let it take line?
Yeah, he's gonna go let the line out. But
Oh, we don't have a,
We have a net.
yeah, we have a net, but where is it? It's in the boat.
It's on the-
Here, all we have is this.
let him fire it out, but don't put your pole down, but
No.
don't put the line flat.
Okay. And don't take a nap. We got a Spanish mackerel. That's because we were going so fast.
That's good food, right?
Great food.
Good
I
eating.
used to catch these all the time.
Is it a big teeth?
Yes. You want gloves? Many. Many teeth. They're like razors.
We need a.
We need a glove.
Where are we gonna
I'm
put
the
it?
only one that has gloves. Just leave it on the back. Unless I wrap it in a bag and stick him in the freezer. We'll just have
If you
to
have a wind
put
channel,
a knife through his head.
it's a wind channel, so we can
We're
sterilize
talking
them.
about how to kill the poor fish.
We're gonna eat him.
And we're gonna eat them.
Definitely.
It's the cycle of life. Just knock them on the brain.
Yeah. Well, I have all that stuff in my.
Tighten up, tighten up. Don't take it back.
Is that a mackerel? That's not a mackerel. That's a tuna.
That's a little
It's a
tuna.
tuna.
Oh.
It doesn't have good teeth.
No, it doesn't. So you're good. Yes. I want to eat you. There he goes.
Hey.
He's seen a better day. Yay! We caught a tuna. He's having sushi.
You know what? When we first
Yay.
put the fish out there, I was going to guarantee you that we're getting fish, and I just about said, when talking about the heart, said,
Yeah.
if you catch a fish, I'm going to eat the heart. I'm glad I didn't. I know you wouldn't. I know you wouldn't. No mercy.
Awesome. Okay, let me get a bag. We'll have sushi.
Just get the bucket.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Thorleif, what are you doing right now?
Oh, fishing.
And?
I'm cleaning.
Gutting. Now, Eric,
Yes, sir.
there's this
Yeah.
story you've done. You've told
No, that wasn't me.
lots
That
and
wasn't
lots
me.
of
No,
times.
I'm just retelling a story. It wasn't me.
It wasn't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
See, Eric once played a trick on someone and said that they had to eat the beating heart
There it is.
raw.
Is it beating?
It's not beat.
not-
Yeah, it's still beating.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, let me.
Do it. Then it's fresh.
Then it's really fresh.
It'll give you vitality.
Oh!
Here it goes.
No.
Ready?
Oh! You did not. You did not. You swallowed it? Ah! Oh my gosh! You, Tobias, you were so telling Tobias this story.
I know, that's why I'm telling that.
It's good for you. When I saw it, I'm like, that's not a mackerel, that's a tuna. We are having fresh sushi.
Okay, so I'll get some water and rinse off, and then
I have the thing right here. You can get it.
Please, this lifting.
For all of those fishermen out there who are laughing at us thinking that we got a tuna, in actuality, this is a funny story. I took the tuna to our local fishing charter place to have them fillet it for me with the correct knives for sushi dinner, and they laughed at me and said, "This is not a tuna. You have a bonita." And so I gave it to them for bait, and I learned my lesson. Here's the differences.